Want to know how to share your well-found jobs or positions that are open to your friends or other people? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple and under 2 minutes, so let's get straight to it. Now, sometimes some jobs can be so good that even if you can't do it, you might want your friend to see it or you might want them to apply. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So you can just simply open up your wellfound.com website and make sure you're logged in. So we have also prepared a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. So on the left side, you should be seeing various options that you can see, and the simply select jobs right here. So now once you click the jobs, you should be under this interface. So you can just simply scroll down and find the job that you want to share. So you can just simply select any part or any place of the job application and it should open up your overview. And right here you should be seeing share. It should be right beside follow, so you can just simply select that. And here you can see 4 to 5 options that you can share from your email, Twitter, Facebook and LinkedIn. Just simply select any one of these and an external browser should open up and you can just simply share it according to it. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.